Well, we saw this last night. We'll see it again for tonight. Temperatures were very slow to cool off, finally hitting the upper 70s this morning and then surging into the upper 90s late in the day. Hot and humid. These are just the air temperatures. It was feeling at times like it was 105 to 110 over much of the area. All the showers and storms have been to the north of the area today across northeast Kansas. Sprinkle here and there in the northern tier of counties, but most of us partly cloudy to clear with another warm night ahead. The cold front will keep pushing southward. It's in Nebraska right now, very slowly moving in with some showers and storms possible late Thursday, and that could carry over into early Friday as well. Here's a live look outside in Manhattan. You can see some of the clouds off to the northeast where there's again a couple of showers over the north, but we do have a lot of sunshine and 99 with a heat index of 105, and that is better heat index wise than it was because the dew point came down into the upper 60s. Just a little bit of drying, and that helped out, at least on the heat index side of things. And that's because the winds have turned just slightly to the southwest for a while. Notice northerly winds in some of our northern counties. Hiawatha, Marysville, both out of the north now, with an 89-degree temperature at Hiawatha, 90 at Marysville, still 104 at Manhattan, and 101 at Junction City. So hot. It's a very hot day. Heat index 106 at Forbes. Lawrence and Manhattan both checking in at 108. And it feels like 101 at Emporia. Drier air has pushed into Emporia with dew points down to the low 60s there, as well as in the Junction City area. Right along that front, though, it actually gets more humid. The water in the air is actually piling up right at that front, which is going to be taking place tonight as that sags southward and into the daytime tomorrow, starts to push into the area. So it'll actually be more humid for many areas tomorrow, but it won't be quite as hot, especially up north, and that'll become the fuel for these thunderstorms. However, watch what happens on Friday as the front pushes even farther south. We get some drier and cooler air, and that'll show up in the heat index. It will still be high tomorrow, at times in the lower 100s, again for Thursday, central and south, not so up north. And then as we head through the afternoon and evening, that front pushes through, and notice the cooling with some scattered storms around on Friday. So again, we're looking at a partly cloudy sky, a couple showers trying to pop up in Brown County and Doniphan County right now, and trying to develop southwestward right along that frontal boundary back into Pottawatomie County. All the showers and storms moving to the north have pushed on through, but this area keeps shoving this whole front southward. And as it does so, you'll see this chance for showers and storms blossoming late in the afternoon tomorrow and on into the evening. Scattered showers and a few thunderstorms for your late Thursday, Thursday night, and into early Friday before everything continues to push on to the south. Here's a look at the next 7 days. We've got temperatures tomorrow still in the low 90s, heat index up over 100 with 30% chance of afternoon and evening storms. Overnight will be about a 50 to 60% chance, and then still a 40% chance into early Friday. But notice the cooling on Friday, a high of 85, falling back down into the 60s at night, 89 and clearing out on Saturday. Should be a nice week and not as blazingly hot, but it still will be very warm, and the heat will build back in as we climb back to the upper 90s toward the middle of next week.